Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install VS Code, that is Visual Studio Code, on PopOS 22. By default we won't get the Visual Studio Code. See here, we don't have the Visual Studio Code. Okay, so open the default browser that comes with PopOS, that is Firefox. Then go to code.visualstudio.com. Then click on this .debian package or click on download, then click on this .debian package. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started and its size is 104 megabytes. Wait until download completes. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory, ls. See here we have the Visual Studio Code Debian package. You have to install it. Sudo dpkg-i code, give the tab to autofill entire Debian package name, hit enter, provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. The installer would like to add the Microsoft repository and signing key to update VS Code through apt. Add Microsoft repository for Visual Studio Code, select yes and hit enter. We have successfully installed. Now go to show applications, go to the bottom. See here we have the Visual Studio Code application. Okay, so open it. See, we got the Visual Studio Code. Let me close this one. You can also open this one by just giving code on the terminal and hit enter. See, we got the Visual Studio Code. Okay, now go to the terminal, ls. This file is not recorded anymore, so remove it. We have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Visual Studio Code latest version on PopOS 22. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.